Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Etisham Tech. Recently, we have uploaded many Arduino and ESP related videos. So, in this video, we're gonna tell you how to upload the codes which are being provided in the description, or if you want to create your own, you can directly upload that codes to the ESP32 Arduino or any microcontroller using your mobile phone. Just you need a single OTG cable and a data cable, and also you need your Arduino or ESP32 microcontroller, whatever you might have, and you need to have an application. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. Let's just open your mobile phone and head towards the Play Store. And in Play Store, search for Arduino Droid, and you'll get the Arduino Droid application minus n plus logo symbol. Just install it and wait for it to install. After installation of Arduino Droid, just click on Open, and you will ask it will ask for many slides pop-ups, and just click on arrow button until you get to the editor. After reaching that, if you have ESP32, first thing you need to allow the access to the application to manage the files. Let it just load for a while. If you have currently using, or you gonna use ESP32, just click on these three dots on the top right and click on settings. In that, board type, select ESP32, and we have multiple microcontrollers over here. Select ESP32 for now, and if you have a Vroom version or dev module, just click on ESP32 dev module. Mostly if you watch my videos and if you have purchased from my video link, you will get ESP32 dev module. Click on that and it will download the SDK. Wait for the downloadation process to complete. After downloadation is complete, then you can copy paste the code which we have provided in the descriptions, or you can just follow this code, test code. And here you need to select in the what we can say upload speed, select it to the 1,15,201 and click on OK. And you can just copy that code from the description and paste it here, and it will write to the ESP32. And currently we are using Arduino as demonstration. Let's just head back to the three dots and the settings. In that, board type, select Arduino. So we have currently Arduino Uno over here. We just select Uno, and I have a simple LED blinking code which we have in written in C++. Void setup pin mode equals 13 output, where we have looped the LED light to turn on and off based on a delay of 200 milliseconds. And after that, you need to just save. After copy pasting the code, you need to click on the save button. After the saving is done, just click on this thunderbolt icon so that it will compile the entire code. And you can see in the output the compilation has been started over here. After the compilation is finished, just click on this upload button. I mean the download icon we have over here. Just click on that and it will upload the code. Before that, you need to allow the access. Okay. And if your mobile phone has this OTG settings over here in your notification panel, you need to turn on this OTG settings. After that, you can connect to the Arduino and ESP32 and your code will be uploaded. As you can see in our Arduino board, we have the light blinking based on a 2 millisecond delay. Well, that's it for the video, and hopefully we're gonna create many more projects, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.